What's up? Emil here. So you can see me. It's Emil. I hope you can see me. Probably not, but whatever. I'm sitting here eating some chips. Miller Lite. Got candles lit. Got no power still. Candles. Miller Lite. Some chips. Home alone right now. Nothing to really do. Just figured I'd make a video. This is insane, man. It feels like I don't know how fucking people live without electricity. Like I already said, we had extension cords all over the house. We had the generator on, running things so we can charge things, and but no internet, no cable, no water, no lights, nothing. So kind of feel like we're poor right now. Well, I am, and nobody's here. It's definitely the most snow we've had since we've moved to this new house. 2.5 fucking feet. We all asked for it, so we got what we asked for. But I want you to be able to. Hair's a mess because I couldn't take a fucking shower this morning. No water. Been like this since last night. So now we can get a few views of the snow. Look at all that goddamn snow. Got Gatorades in there, keeping the Gatorades cool. We got the Pepsi there. Very good idea. It wasn't me, of course. That's the back deck right now. That's all this. That's the snow. We haven't shoveled the back deck yet. It's crazy. There's the post. Nuts, right? Fucking. Here's the side window. Look at all that snow. So, been bitching a lot lately because we haven't gotten a lot of snow this winter. Everybody else around us, south of us, have been getting hit pretty bad. Fucking piece of shit. You fucking stay there, that's it. Fucking asshole. So, just fucking waiting for everybody to get home. We will play some cards. So, well, I just want everybody to see what the fucking blizzard's like. I'm sure everybody's talking about it in the news and shit, so. Later.